Welcome to Dashcam Drama, the wild arena where reckless drivers collide with fate and chaos erupts at full speed. From shocking crashes to breathtaking near misses, every moment is a reminder that one careless move can unleash total disaster. Strap in tight. The ride is about to get intense. Quite unexpected situation. Running at high speed and not keeping a safe distance. Hopefully no one was injured. According to the dash cam, the driver was driving in the wrong lane at high speed and could not react in time, causing an unfortunate accident. Not enough space to pass, the container truck driver still stubbornly overtook. One mistake can cost you dearly. The driver forgot to lower the rear of the truck. The unfortunate incident happened while the vehicle was on the road. Unexpected situation, and fortunately no one was hurt. As you can see, it is really dangerous, right?
It's tough.
A resident's dash cam shows the car may have been going too fast and lost control. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. The cause of the above clip is still being investigated by the police. As far as I know, fortunately no one was seriously injured or died. As you can see, the truck entered the lane without looking carefully, leading to an unfortunate accident. If it had been a little slower, nothing would have happened.
Olha só!
As we observed, it is possible that a flat tire led to the loss of control. Hopefully, he only suffered minor injuries.
Sensacional, rapaz!
What is the bus driver doing? Is he sleepy? I hope everyone on the bus is safe. Our camera shows that the driver may have mistaken the brake pedal for the accelerator. Luckily, there were no casualties. This situation can happen because the driver is too stressed and suddenly startled. Turning the wheel too quickly leads to an unfortunate accident. What's the situation? I think this is just a movie. In real life, I don't think it will happen. From a home camera shows that the car was driving very fast and in the wrong lane, leading to a serious accident. Hopefully no one was seriously injured. A tractor-trailer recklessly overtook a curve, its tail flew off and broke the front of the oncoming car. It was raining and the road was quite slippery. The container truck driver lost control. Luckily, no one was injured. From the clip, it shows that while rescuing a car, the rescue vehicle suddenly had its cable broken. Lost control or what caused it. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. He is really lucky. Everyone who saw it was shocked. Wish everyone peace.
Oh, shit!
What the
I don't understand what the driver was thinking when he suddenly crossed the street like that. The camera recorded that he was probably stressed, startled, and then panicked and drove randomly. Public camera recorded the scene of a bus losing control and causing consecutive accidents. Hope everyone is safe. The cause of the incident is still unknown, pending police investigation. You've just witnessed those moments where fate twists sharply and brutal impacts carve unforgettable lessons for every driver. Always remember, safety is the strongest shield you'll ever carry on the road. Like, share, and subscribe as we continue diving into the chilling stories that haunt the highways ahead.